My name is Michael. Now I will tell you about electricity. Do you know electricity? Electricity is a kind of power and they form of power plants. Power plant means is a factory made the electricity. And when we use powers, it means when you use the light bulbs. Think of it. When we use the lamp, and the lamp have a wire, and inside the wire, what is it? Inside the plastic is what? You think it? I think it's a wire. Do you know that? Wire is a thing that very long inside the plastic, and they help when they touch each other. They will make the lamp turn on. It's made from a metal, and when you put out the plug, the last head of the wire, and when you do you think why the plastic covered the wire? Do you know that?
No.
I think that is we covered the wire by plastic because when we don't have plastic, when you touch it, we will get shock. Yeah, if you touch a head of the plug, when you touch each other made of the electricity, you will get shock too. You think that the wall made the electricity? I don't think so, because the power plants have many ways to give the electricity to many places, like the electricity pole or the underground. And anything the electricity pole or electricity from underground, always they use wire to many houses, and they would change and they were put and stay together in a wall. And when we put a plug into it, it will make the lamp or the light, anything you want, won't turn on. And why this light bulb have today? Because when in 1876, the name Thomas Edison made these light bulbs. So when today the people know that name, and they will make a very different kind of light bulbs. Let's review what we learned. We learned about electricity. We learned that electricity is a kind of power. We use that they from a power plant. We use the power. It means we use the light bulbs, and we learned that the electricity is from power plants. They go from a electricity pole or the electricity pole from underground, and they will stay in a wall pole. And when we put the plug into the wall, it will turn on. And we learned that I forgot that before Thomas Edison made the light, that people made a gas light or the fire. You know that fire? Fire also very dangerous, but a little bit they help us. Before Thomas Edison made the light, we used the fire to make the light too. So let's do some questions. Thomas Edison is the scientist made light bulbs. True or false? So you remember when I said that Thomas Edison is the first people made the light bulbs. So now people know the name, and they made a different kind of light bulb, like long, short, or round, or anything. So you remember that sentence, you say true. So you are right. Bye bye.